For precision drilling and stepless speed adjustment, the Rutlands variable speed pillar drill delivers smooth, controlled results every time. Consistent power is provided by a quiet-running, maintenance-free induction motor. The variable speed adjustment lever allows you to fine-tune the speed from 440 to 2,580 RPM without ever moving the drive belt. The headstock is CNC machined from solid grey iron, providing exceptional rigidity and vibration resistance. Inside, the precision ground quill and spindle assembly runs on extra-wide ball race bearings, ensuring smooth operation and flawless accuracy when drilling metals, woods and plastics. With 50 mm of spindle travel and a 250 mm swing, the drill comes fitted with a precision 3-jaw Jacobs-style chuck, accepting bit shank diameters from 1.5 mm up to 13 mm. A spring-loaded, height-adjustable safety guard keeps your hands protected while maintaining full visibility of the bit. The integrated cross laser guide projects a bright, precise reference line, ensuring effortless, pinpoint alignment every time. The cast iron table features machine slots for vices and clamps and adjusts smoothly in height via a rack and pinion mechanism. It tilts up to 45 degrees left and right for angled drilling. For larger workpieces, the table swings clear, allowing the base to be used as a secondary work surface. Powerful, accurate, and designed to last, the Rutlands variable speed pillar drill keeps you in control, delivering performance you can trust.